I first had Italian wedding soup in a jar. I really liked it. I haven't had it in a long time though. It's my first time trying to make it. Trying new things to cook. I actually really like making soup, to be honest. Garlic crusher makes this process less annoying. Literally just dump this in here. So satisfying. And it saved me whatever amount of time it takes to like try to chop that up. An entire bowl of carrots, onions, celery, garlic. And I already have meatballs because I don't want to roll them myself. Pre-made meatballs. The vegetables soften, I'm gonna put this chicken. Hopefully it fits in that pot because that pot is already full, as you can tell. I couldn't find the pasta that they use in the original recipe, but it's like these little couscous pasta things. It's kind of similar. It's called risotto. A little bigger though. It's like rice-shaped ones. I'm pretty sure the meatballs are supposed to be a lot smaller. So then the pasta goes in after it starts to boil. Meatballs add so much flavor. I was adding in some spinach. Let's try it.